Pakistani is simple. With me today is a man, General Bakshi. Let me introduce him in a different context. You see him every day. You know the supreme sacrifice his brother made. And when I met him recently, he told me the story. His brother died in action defending the country. And he even fought with his own family to get commissioned as a soldier. And his mother said, if this is what you want to do, a mother who had lost one son sent another to go to battle with the enemy, and that person's name is General G.D. Bakshi. And he has a right to speak. And we must listen to him. General Bakshi.
Arnab, I have been listening to the supercilious tones of people who have never heard a shot fired in anger. People who have not sent one son, one brother, one husband to the battlefield to be martyred. You know, Diwali is about to come.
Yeah.
Do you know that this girl's house will be in total darkness, damn it? अंधेरे में होगा इनका, अंधेरे में होगा इनका घर. But, you know, I have come to the sad conclusion, Arnab, that politicians of all hue, politicians of any hue, they shed crocodile tears when they come to these funerals. And this time, Arnab, 5 of our brave hearts laid down their lives during Operation Sindoor.
Yeah.
I didn't see a single politician go to their funerals.
Yeah.
I didn't see those funerals. You know, people were too busy, I don't know with what. You know.
God knows.
So, I mean, it is hypocrisy of the highest order. If you have a principle, okay, you never lost anybody, man. You don't care a fig how many soldiers die, how many, people we lost in Pahalgam, because you weren't there. You will always be safe, guarded by black dangri, black cat commandos. You will be safe. Your hide will be safe. Save your precious hide, man. Give a thought to the people who have died. This Bitia's husband was killed in front of our eyes. You want her to celebrate cricket, man?
Yeah.
You want to celebrate cricket? You know, as far as I am concerned, a plague on Pakistan's head. The khasmanu khao, maro. I don't want to see you. I don't want to talk to you, man. I don't want to play with you. And if there is a principle involved that, talks and guns, I mean, they can't go together. Cricket
and I remember,
and terror can also not go.
I remember what the Prime Minister told me in an interview on the 8th of May 2014, just a week before he was elected as Prime Minister. He said to me, it was an interview in Gandhinagar. He said, "Arnab, bam, banduk और बारूद के बीच में बातचीत हो सकती है क्या?" उन्होंने कहा था, बम, बंदूक और बारूद के बीच में बातचीत हो सकती है क्या? और मैं आज कह रहा हूं, बम, बंदूक, बारूद और पहलगाम के बाद क्रिकेट हो सकती है क्या? ये कैसी मजबूरी है? ये कैसी मजबूरी है? मेरे पिछले हिंदी प्रोग्राम में, that's why I'm slipping into Hindi, Atul Vasan tried to explain to Aishanya Dwivedi, Sohail, why the match should be allowed to continue. But she was resolute. Atul, you must understand her pain.
I do actually, because I can't argue with this, because I'm with you on this. But the rhetoric, the metaphor which you're giving and what we're discussing, so I will never be able to convince you, because I agree with you. But I also see some sense there's other things. I will actually believe my Prime Minister and people who know more than me, they have taken a call. There must be a reason. They can't
Absolutely,
be without a method
Atul.
to the madness.
Absolutely.
And it's just
Atul.
not cricket,
Atul.
So I actually
want to
know,
ask you, my
and I
friend,
know the reasons also.
Atul,
And by
what
just
is
not
the
playing this
logic
game,
of
I don't
playing
know,
cricket against people who are absolute bloody scoundrels who have invaded our country and killed people? What is
I
the
know.
bloody compulsion to play Pakistan? They're a bloody country of rogues.
Soil!
Even if you don't, so if you
Soil!
don't play,
Any
what are we
reason,
doing about it?
there
Why
can
why
be
don't
any
we stop
reason.
the war?
Why
No,
the
why-
hell
Soil!
appease Pakistan?
What will happen?
If
Why
they're
don't we
dying in
proactive?
poverty, let
Do
them.
something.
If their bloody
Because the
cricketers
way-
are starving,
the way
let
you
them.
brought
You
the-
see how the cricketers talk about us?
Sohail.
Those
Sohail,
same
I know.
rascals you want to play with?
Okay.
Why? Because you believe in sports? Bullshit.
No. Sohail,
Sport
if you don't
is
play-
less important than national sentiment. Sport
give me
is
an option.
subservient
Give me an
to
option.
her loss.
Give me an option.
Sport is subservient to General Bakshi's brother who was martyred. Please,
So why-
let's
Achani
be
and the-
real. Atul,
the
there is
reasoning
no
you are
logic,
giving
my
no,
friend.
is totally,
Give me
you know,
this.
I agree with you,
that,
but
what is
Atul.
this gossip, Saurav Ganguly bullshit. Oh, sport must be
Atul!
separate.
Audio!
No.
सब पैसे का खेल है. सब पैसे का खेल है.
Audio!
तो फिर ऐसा करते हैं ना, फिर आज अगर मैच नहीं खेलते हैं तो व्हाट आर वी डूइंग अबाउट इट? Why don't we all go to the border?
What do you mean? Why don't we all go to the border?
So
General
rather
Bakshi-
than just
General
give
Bakshi
this
will
reason,
respond to that.
If we don't play this game,
No,
what are we
no.
doing about this
Not you.
Pakistan? What
But
will
you
do
know
people?
We will do what we have to with Pakistan. What's your compulsion, General
I
Bakshi?
spent
So
a
just
lifetime
sitting
on that
now,
border.
The war is over. So what are we
Right?
doing? Let's do something.
I
about it.
spent a lifetime on that border. I have seen very great boys, die.
I know.
I've held their hands while they were breathing their
General
last.
Bakshi,
I
how
have
do you
tried to
feel
give them the last sip of water.
How do you feel?
I will
about
not
the
forget.
ceasefire? How
And
do
I
you feel
cannot
about the ceasefire?
forgive people who can be so
How do you feel about the
blazed.
ceasefire? Why are
Who
we
can
not
be
taking
so
more?
blazed, damn it? Not one of your family members died.
आपको क्या
Not
feel हो रहा
one
है
of your
ceasefire
family
के?
members died, man.
हमने
You
war
can
क्यों
be
रोका
so
फिर?
blazed,
हमने
you can
पूरा
be
बदला-
so cool about it, right?
No,
I can't.
I'm asking you. What are
No,
doing
we
about
are
the war
poles
being
apart,
stopped?
man.
Why are
You
we
are
stopped?
poles apart.
What are you doing about it?
नहीं,
Why
बात
don't-
करो
why
यार।
don't-
You, okay, you
Stop this.
forget it.
मैच के पीछे पड़े हो।
I understand
आप-
that
General
you
Bakshi.
have nothing to give with these fighting and all this dying. Because you are miles apart from it. I'm just asking
that-
you stick by your principle. The principle
my
is,
principle, I'm
if there is
asking you.
apartheid,
My
we
asking-
will not
I
play
rather-
with South Africa.
use-
Did you play with South Africa? Did you play cricket with South Africa? Simple question.
Because South Africa
You
was
said
banned
no.
from the world
Atul!
body.
Why
Why don't we ban the Pakistan?
There is a principle
Do we have the power to do that?
The principle
आप इस मैच के पीछे पड़े हो. अगर मैच नहीं होता है, उसके बाद क्या कर रहे हैं?
Then Prime Minister, he said terror and talks don't go together. In the
Yes.
same logic, terror and cricket do not go
तो आप बोल
together.
लो पहले यार.
They are antithetical
Atul Vasan.
because it means we
Yeah.
are